Spare me the folded flag, the white gloves, your reworked sermon and brown gaze. Send me a mother, one to match me, boy for boy, loss for loss. Let us talk girlfriends, caskets, and favorite songs. Compare the measure of children's graves. Let her climb with me into this one, defy the world to make us leave. Show me what she keeps in her cardboard box, the Pinewood Derby car, the trophy, the bottle of sand from Venice Beach, or the picture beside the TV set, the uniform and crew cut, the closed door upstairs. No, send me a mother, not a speech, not a flag, not a cause or a reason, no personal note or comforting call. Send me someone who knows how to suffer, who grieves as I grieve, and cannot sleep.